Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to House of Djey. This is your girl Lady Djey. If it's your first time, welcome, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now, and don't forget to press the notification bell to get notified for any video. Guys, welcome back. Again, it's been a little while, but I'm just trying to keep myself up to date with you guys with what's going on with this channel and everything else I do. So without further ado, we're gonna start with introducing you with the products that's already online, selling really well. Just to let you know, House of Djey is all about skincare, beauty, makeup, everything that's got to do with beauty. Beauty is everything. Cosmetic, skincare, all the lot. Beauty overall. So you will find in House of Djey quite a lot of skincare, quite a lot of different brands that do different skincare, makeup, different brands as well, including my own House of Djey brand. We have lashes, Perfect Lashes by Djey, and we have Molly Beauty that's coming out real soon with different products makeup wise. So without further ado, we're gonna start with the first product, and every product that I will show on my YouTube channel you can find it on www.houseofdjey.com. Last video I showed you a few skincare products from different brands, and I have come back with another 3 different products, but from 2 different brands. So the next products I'm going to show you is the Intense Awakening Mask from Body Shop. This is the Intense Awakening Mask, coffee masks. Is a really good product. It's made out of coffee. It's a 15 ml that I'm doing on my website. 15 ml, really cute, travel size tub. Just saves you just carrying a massive tub where it's just so unnecessary, but it's really cute. 15 ml, and this is £6 on my website. Girl, listen, coffee is really good for your skin. It's a really good ingredient for your skin, especially for those that suffer from blemishes, acne and stuff like that. You know, want to get rid of all the marks and scars. It does help remove marks and you know, and it does brighten your skin just a tiny bit. You can go and check it out and read a bit more about the goodness of coffee for your skin. I sometimes tend to just mix it with honey, especially with the coffee mixed together. You don't understand the glow that it will give. You have no idea. But yeah, I do use it sometimes just naturally with honey. It just gives you that really nice glow as well, which is really is from Body Shop. I'm just going to read a tiny bit about it. This mask gives you an energy kick, enriched with a blend of coffee bean particle from Nicaraguan and community and fair trade ingredients. This mask warms and gently exfoliates your skin to reduce the signs of fatigue, leaving your skin feeling awakened, cleared of impurities, looking more radiant, and pores looking refined. Really good key here. Let's look at it. Fatigue. Who wants to have that fatigue full of bags, you know, because you're really tired? So this is really good. Leaving your skin awakened. Yes, that's what we want. Clears for impurities. Yes, tick. and gives your skin looking more radiant. Yeah. And pores looking refined. Tick. What more can you ask? What more can you ask? This mask is amazing. So warming and energizing face mask for skin burnout, skin that looks dull, uneven, rough, and ashy. It helps reduce the signs of fatigue, like we said, feels awakened and cleared for impurities and looking more radiant and pores looking refined. Rich exfoliating texture, intense coffee scent, enriched with coffee and community fair trade, sesame seed oil from Nicaraguan community fair trade, shea butter from Ghana, cocoa butter, and organic sugar. What more can you ask? What more can you ask? It's got amazing ingredients in there, and what it does, it's a bonus. It's a bonus, guys. It's just a bonus. Yeah. Do you want to know why I'm always looking young? Go and find out about these ingredients, girls. You know, find out about these ingredients. You know, sometimes you sell things or you buy things and you're like, what's the goodness about this? What's the goodness about that? Read about it. Do your research. You know, I've been using coffee for a very long time on my skin. My mother told me that. She used to make her own home remedies, and one of them for skin was coffee. And yeah, so that's very, very dear to me. I love using coffee and honey and something else. But yeah, that's for next video. Also avocado with a bit of that's for next time. But yeah, she's told me a lot of, you know, good skin home remedies and products to use on my skin. So why do you look so young? Why do you think? But yeah, research your products, guys. Research. But everything is on my website. All the ingredients on my website. If you feel it's good for your skin, grab it. Like I said, it's only 15ml, £6. Travel size. It's not a lot, ladies. It's not a lot. Go and grab some. Now I want to go with the second products that's on my website. Is the Drop of Light. Drop of Light is also from Body Shop. It's a really good product also. What does it do? To be honest, I use this a lot because I have problem skin. So I tend to get, you know, sometimes when I'm stressed and your time of the month and so many things that's going on, and you know, if you're that type of girl, you would know, you know, here and there, like one here somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can't, thank God. But yeah, this is amazing. So it's 125ml and it's £12. It's a pure clarifying foam wash, brightening cleansing foam. When it says brightening, girl, don't even like panic and say, oh my god, that's gonna brighten my skin. And it's just a way of just cleaning your skin deeper and gives your skin, if you have that uneven skin, obviously it removes all the impurities and removes all the dirt and the dead skin, and uneven, like gives your skin an even tone than looking uneven. So that's what it means by brightening. But yeah, I would say if you have like you know, acne problems and blemishes and situation, I would say this once a week because it's really strong. It will give your skin that smooth finish, trust me, and like it will get rid of those blemishes. It definitely will, because I've used it and I have that problem and it works, but I only use it once a week because I will say it's quite strong. So yeah, rich and creamy foam cleanser to clarify and purify the skin. It's a rich and creamy lather, deeply purifies and cleanses the skin without over drying or stripping the skin of precious moisture. So listen, once a week, but it is really good. You will see yourself after using it how smooth your skin just feels. How to use it: apply a pea-sized amount onto the fingertips, massage gently onto a wet face and neck, creating a lather. Rinse off. It says use every morning. I would say, yeah, every morning or every night. I would say I just use it once I take off my makeup and I feel like I need that deep cleanse. But yeah, I would say I use it once a week. And then use any other, cleanse that you use, but this is really good. So, and you will save a lot. But yeah, it's on my website for £12 right now. Go and check it out. So the next product I'm gonna show you is the Djey Pollution Luminous Mask, and this is the other edition from the other version to the other one I showed you last from my previous video. And this one is the Luminous Mask. This is just for a more radiant finish, a more glow for those that are more of a dry skin. And I love that kick of a glow to their makeup or their skin. This is just perfect. Again, this make is a Korean make. Amazing product, to be honest. I use the other one and it's all skin type. I use the other one and I've used this one as well. I've used this one today. Yeah, listen, sometimes I'm dry, sometimes I like a bit of a glow because tend to get dry and oily and my skin just balance. But I love that radiant glow finish to my skin, so this is really amazing as well. So yes, it's 5 sheets, 5 single sheets in there. Use it at any time before your makeup or whenever, when you feel like I just want to pamper myself. Yeah, so it's really nice to use, to be honest. So we're gonna read a bit about it. Gives your skin, it protects your skin from various type of environment factors. Also ideal for indoors, like could be indoors for a very long time, your skin tends to dry or whatever. It's really nice. It brightens your skin, like I did explain. Just gives that even tone, for those that have an even tone, kind of gives you that even tone. So it's not like, oh my god, it's got this brightening cream. Nah, it just gives you that, even tone. A radiant boost mask invented with a dust repelling technology infused with pearl extract to ensure a more vibrant looking skin. Key ingredients: pearl extract to help nourish and firm the skin. Also made out of ginger root oil to help revitalize and protect the skin. Ginger is really good as well for your skin. Solution for dust repelling, skin brightening. Amazing products, guys. Amazing Korean make. £10. You've got 5 sheets in there, so do go and grab it, guys. It's not those, it's made for, I think, for all type of skin. It's for everyone. If you want to check it out, ingredients are all in on my website, how to use, and everything is on my website. Go and check it out, read about it, get more information if it's suitable for your skin, and grab it. But yeah, I've used this one, love it as well. And I've used the other one. But yeah, I'm not gonna say anything that I feel is a bit no. These products are really good products, so everything is listed on my website. Go and check it out. Ingredients, everything you want to know is on my website. But that was it, guys. That was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna come back in the next video. I'm gonna do more of skincare, my night routine, maybe day routine, and maybe just mix it with makeup. But yeah, it's gonna be a more fun videos, guys, I promise. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. For those that haven't yet subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell to get notified for my next video, guys. So that was it. Yeah, I shall see you next time. Ta-da.